इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाची जी बिलां येयल्या आता 1st June onward, they have actually doubled up. So it is a matter of concern for small people and middle class people and also the rich. Everybody has got a pinch. I spoke to the Honorable Chief Minister and also to the Electricity Minister for Electricity. So he called Mr. Nigale, who has explained to us that it is the recommendation of the Commission. But I have told him nothing. It is finally with the government to accept the recommendation. And I have told him that whoever has got the units of 200 to 400, whoever consumes that units is the biggest hit. That between 200 to 400 units, earlier if somebody was getting 700 rupees bill, today he is getting 1500 rupees bill. So the units have just doubled up. Like earlier price was 270 per unit, between 200 to 400 units. Today they are being charged 380, 3 rupees 80 paise. And with the fixed charges that every month you get a fixed charge, with including that which has been increased. Earlier it was less, now it is 400 rupees. So with all that, the bill comes to around 1600 rupees. So a normal person, it is quite difficult for a normal person to pay this bill. And on behalf of all the Goans, I have told the Chief Minister. So Chief Minister immediately told Power Minister to call the Chief Electrical Engineer. So Mr. Nigale came over here and explained to us. So we have told him we are not ready to listen to you. Whatever the recommendation the Commission has given is for the government to accept or no.
So what do you have demanded?
So I have told him to roll back the prices. And all the MLAs who are here, including the ministers, were there for that meeting. And they have to bring it back. This is not this thing, it is a demand.
So the
demand of the Goan people.
So prices would be rolled back?
Has to be rolled back.